Join to all of you, and also welcome to our YouTube channel All Purpose Tutorials. And in this video I am going to tell you that how you can go do good in the Ppdt test, in the SSB interview, and also the group discussion too that is held after the Ppdt. So let's start. So if you do not know the full form of Ppdt, so the full form is Picture Perception and Description Test. Now, what is this test? So in this test you will be shown, because by it name also you can uh, actually understand that what the test is. So in this test you will be shown 12 images, and the last one, that is the 12th image, that will be a blank image, and you have to write in that image by your own imagination. Now what is this test? You will be shown 11 images one by one, and each image will be shown to you for 30 seconds. Only the 11 images. 11 images. And then you have to, as I said earlier, that you will be shown the 11 images for 30 seconds one by one, and then you will be given 4 minutes 4 minutes to write about each image, the 11 images, and the 12th image will be blank, as I said earlier, and you have to write it by your own imagination. Now what happens, that if you are giving the Ppdt test, that is Picture Perception and Description test, first time, then it would be very difficult to you to write uh, 120 to 150 words in only 4 minutes. Yes, you have to write about 120 to 150 words minimum in 4 minutes about the images that has been shown to you. So it is actually a very difficult task, uh, because not every cadet there is having writing speed of that much capacity. So you have to practice it a lot first at home only, or you can practice it everywhere in your free time, but you should be able to write the image that has been shown to you in 4 minutes in about 120 to 150 words. If you are not able to write this much, then you cannot clear the Ppdt test. So try to write at least 120 to 150 words in 4 minutes, and write only the things that are related to the image only. So now the next point is how to write a good story. See, because you will be shown a picture for only 30 seconds, and in those 30 seconds you have to observe all the things in the image, like the surroundings, that what are the objects in that image, how many people are there, how many children are there, how many women, men they are there in the image. So when you would be able to observe the whole image properly, then only you would be able to write a good story, because your story would be taken as a good story when you have included everything that was there in the image. So you should be having a good observation. because the image will be shown only to you for 30 seconds. Now how you can write a good story? So first uh, first of all, include all the characters that are there in the image. For example, there are there are two children, one lady, sorry, one lady. That could be their mother also. That could be their mother also. One man. That could be their father also. See, it's about your perception, how you can perceive the image. There, sorry, there can be so many perceptions for only a single image, because everyone there is having a different perception. So you should make sure that your perception should be the best perception there. So when we included the names, so we have to write there that in the image I perceived, sorry, what I perceived in the image was that there were two children, one lady, that could be the mother of the two children, sorry, and I also perceived one man, that could be the father of the two children. Now name the characters. If we name the two children Navjot and Vivek, so the name of these children now is Vivek and Navjot. And there is one lady, so we can name him Himanshi. And there is one man, we can name him Ritik. So now, so when you have written about the all the character, sorry, all the person, that all the people that you saw in the image, now it's time to name them. So after writing all the information about the people in that image, so you can write now. So the name of the two children were, sorry, so the name of the two children were Vivek and Navjot. The name of their mother was Himanshi and the name of their father was Ritik. So you can write it like that, and then you have to define that what was going on in the image. Like what was the situation you saw in the image. If they are all, sorry, if they were all discussing on something, on a subject, so you can write that. See, there can be many perceptions, so you can write according to what you perceived in the image, and then just try to complete the whole story before 5 to 10 seconds, because you have to now see the other image also that is about to shown to you. So try to complete the story as soon as possible, just before, or just before the timing of the image that they are going to show you there, because if you will miss any image, then it could be a problem for you. Now what happens in the GD is, you all have to narrate your story one by one. The cadet with the least chest number will start narrating his or her story. Then, after all the cadets have finished narrating their story, the assessors will not give any signal, and instantly after narrating all the stories, you have to start the group discussion then, and then the group discussion will be for 10 to 15 minutes, and all the cadets will be divided in group of 12 to 14 cadets there. Now what you have to do, at least try to speak 3 to 4 times in that group discussion. If you want to get selected, you have to show your participation there, and try to initiate that group discussion too, because taking initiative is a leadership quality, and as well as a officer like quality too. So try to take the initiative, and then after some time, uh, so just here is the first point: try to take the initiative, and also narrate your story in 1 minute. You have to narrate your story in 1 minute, so that all the cadets can do this, and do not interrupt the assessors there. Assessors. So do not interrupt the assessors there. Otherwise, you can also get eliminated from that SSB interview. So these are some points. Try to follow these points, and then after 10 to 15 minutes, okay, and the fourth point is you will get time of 10 to 15 minutes, and you will be cadets will be divided into groups of 12 to 14 cadets. And the sixth point is, try to do the group discussion in a calm way. If the group discussion is turning into a fish market, then try to calm the situation. It shows that you have leadership qualities, and you can handle any situation like these, where people sometimes get aggressive because there is only time of 10 to 15 minutes, and the group of cadets will be of 12 to 14 cadets, and not every cadet there will get a chance to speak, so you have to fight there to speak. But do not let that group discussion turn into a fish market. And if that happens, so please try to calm the situation there. Just calm down the situation there, and to ask every cadet to do the GD in a mannered way, so that you all cadets can also get a feel that you all are doing something to become an officer in the Indian Army. So these are some points, and after that, just conclude the story. The assessor will ask, so what was the conclusion of the story? So all the cadets will choose one story and tell it to the assessor there. Tell it to the assessor. So the group discussion is finished there also. Then all cadets get some lunch, and after 2 to 3 hours the results will be decided. And thanks for watching our video, and if you like this video, then please comment on our video, and please tell us if we can put more efforts to make our videos better, to make our further videos better. And like our video and share our video as much as possible if you liked it. And please please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to it. And again, thanks for watching.